this is Lin from HUAFOOD Machine Factory in China. We are manufacturing in Henan, China, and we have many machines for your needs. Mainly, we will do potato chips or French fries production line, and also other frying production lines like snakes or frying chickens. You can all cook chips cutting, potato strips, Chinese cabbage cutting, and we also have different washing machines for vegetables or fruits, like a bubble washing machine. It's not only for factory use but also for home use. So if your factory is small or if you want to use the machine in your home, you can all contact us for more details about your needs, about suitable machines for you guys. And we also have many other machines like dairy production line, bakery machines like dough mixer machine, ovens, different kinds of ovens, and also the fermentation machine, and other sheeters to make different dough product. You can all contact us for more details. For today's live show, we're gonna show you some of how it what's the effect when using it, and how to use it, and its main features, and we will introduce during the live show, and you can leave your questions if you have any for us. This is our for the small one. We also have the soybean oil, and it is very economical for clients who don't have so much money, but he wants to have the drying products to sell to his client or have a small business, and we have different capacity for you to choose. The price is also very economical, and we also have the green bean peeling machine, also dicing machine, and also peeling machines. We also have other machines that is not in our very small factory or very small stores to make food or vegetable processing. This is a cutting machine. It can cut, slice, shredding, and also dicing. So it can cut 3 different shapes for different sizes. You can select the cutting size you want, and we will give you different blades. So you can change the blade and make different size and different shape according to your process. And it's also very easy to change the blade and operation for this machine. I'm gonna do the operation and change the blade for you guys to see how it works and how to change the blade. And the voltage for this machine is also very small. You only need to use single phase voltage in your factory or in your home. It can be used, and the capacity is also not small. It's about 200 kilometers per hour. So if you don't need a very big machine and you want to have the vegetable or fruit cutting, this machine is very suitable for you. And we're going to do some testing for the fruit and the vegetables so you can see the cutting effect and check whether it is the one you want. Now, let me introduce the potato shredding for you guys to see the cutting effect. The operation for this machine is also the electricity. put the potato in. If your potato is too big, you can see there is the screw and screw in the middle of the blade. So you need so your material should not be too big. You can see this potato is small enough. If your potato or your vegetable is too big, you need to cut it into pieces or 3 pieces to fit in the filling hole. You can put not only one potato. If there is enough space for you to put 2 or 3, you can put 2 or 3 to have more bigger capacity when you using this machine. When you use it, you need to press the cover, and then you need to. There's 2 buttons for this machine. One the green one is for the start, and to start. It's very easy to operate.
先生，切的，这个稍微跟切胡萝卜一样。
用完饭了？
你不告诉我就是那样玩的。
那就是拿。
这样。
是这样。
是这样吗？
刚那样弄的时候，
也跟上次。
可以。
没弄上，不是这边就是那边。
Okay guys, this is cutting effect for the potato shredding. This is a half round shredding. Half round shredding. You can see is the surface of the potato the potato shredding is half in one side, and the other side is even. Okay, now we're gonna do the apple slice cutting for you guys to see the cutting effect. 一点打开。行，在这儿放，行吗？放一个。Okay, let's start. You can see for cucumber cutting the cutting effect is also very good, very even. Okay, the testing for this small cutting machine. If you have the needs for factory or small factory or small restaurant or small home use for cutting machines, this machine it can cut different shapes with different size for according to your needs. Okay, later for the double head cutting machine. This is our double head cutting machine. This is our double head cutting machine, and you can see it's quite big because this is for big factory use, and very you can also use it for automatic production line. And you can see for cutting for such as cabbage, Chinese cabbage, or spinach, or other leaf vegetables with the leaf. You can use it to cut. Also the beans, green beans, you can also use it to cut. And some long vegetables like cucumber or carrot, you can also use it to cut with this head, with the blue belt head. And for this head, this is used for root vegetable. For root vegetable, it's
就是你是一个机器嘛，它
cassava or other root vegetables. You can use it
是不是能
to
恢复
use
它？
this
不能
head to cutting. Or you can also use this head to cut fruit like pineapple, like apple. You can all use this root vegetable head to cut hard fruit or root vegetables. And this is the control box for this double head cutting machine. You can see the two green ones for the start of leaf vegetable and root vegetable. The two red one is for the stop button, and the big red one is for emergency button. And this is the power light. The two black one is for control the speed of the blue belt cutting head. You can use it to change the belt speed and the cutting blade speed for this head, for this belt cutting head. And the cutting size is adjustable for the belt cutting head. You only need to change the blade belt speed and the nail speed, and the cutting size will be changed. And this sheet as a reference if you want to cut any size. You can also adjust the speed according to your own needs. And for the root vegetable cutting head, you need to change the blade for different size and different shapes. And for this cutting head, for the root vegetable cutting head, you can use it to cut slice, shredding, and also dicing 3 different shapes for different sizes. You only need to change the blade. We have different blades for you. And for the belt cutting head, you can only use it to cut slice or stamps. You can use it to cut with different cutting size. No need to change the blade. And for this machine, we're gonna have three size of the cutting for different cutting size. Each blade for one cutting size. And this is the blade for the slice and for shredding. We will do the testing later for you to check about the cutting effect. And 就那个 junction 那个，就在那个地方。那个下边，你看就狂下边。Okay. If you don't have much space in your factory, I will measure the size of this cutting machine, and you can see whether this machine can fit in your factory. First, like the wax, the lens. Let's see the lens. Okay, the lens is 125. The length is 125 centimeters. Let's see the height. height is 129 centimeters of the height, and the width. The width is 43 centimeters for width. And for this machine, the capacity is about 1,000 kilometers per hour. If you don't need too much capacity, and you want to plant different vegetables or fruits, you can. We also have a smaller machine for you. The size is smaller, the capacity is smaller, but the function is still the same. Because the function also have the bulb cutting head and also the root vegetable cutting head. Also is a 2 double head cutting machine, but the size is small and the capacity is small to suit for small factory or small restaurant needs for this for the vegetable cutting and fruit cutting. Now we will do some testing of this machine to so you can see how it works and how to operate and how to change the blade. The cutting effect for this machine is very beautiful, and it's very popular among our clients. For this machine, you can see it's very big, but it can also use single phase voltage. If you don't have much electricity power, you only have the single phase one, this machine is also very suitable for you. This is the plug. We'll also continue the plug and change the voltage according to your needs. If you have the 110 voltage American plug or European plug, we all can change it for you. Just plug in and you can start the operation. Okay, first let's do some testing about leaf vegetables. This is Chinese cabbage. You can see how it looks like of the cutting effect. For the left part, the red part is about the leaf vegetable buttons. The green one is the stars, and the red one is for stop. And you can easily use it. Just press the button and the machine will start working. See now we can change the cutting effect according to your needs. Change the blade to 6 millimeters. Okay. Change the blade. You can use this sheet. Change according to this sheet. The blade speed is 30 and the conveyor speed is also 30. Let's change it. You can see this is the spring. Okay, let's start. I have to do the adjustment and we can start now. Okay guys, you can see the cutting speed is very quickly, and you can see the capacity is for the capacity of 1,000 kilometers per hour is it for sure. And you can see the cutting effect is very even. You can see the cutting size for each piece is the same. You can see it's very suitable for restaurant or big factory for vegetable processing. If you want to have the night vegetable processing, this machine is very suitable for you, and you can use it to cut different vegetables. Okay, let's do another testing for the garlic click. You can still do the testing for this one. You can large the testing 9 millimeters. For 9 millimeters, the knife speed is 20 and the conveyor belt is 30. I'm gonna change this one. Okay, and testing. Okay guys, you can see the cutting effect for this one. Oh, this Chinese leek is also very beautiful, very beautiful, very big, very even. And you can see, even for not for vegetable, leaf vegetables, this conveyor cutting head can also cut according to your needs, and you can change the blade according to the cutting need. You just need to do some testing, whether it can have the size as you like. And now we will do the testing for the root vegetable cutting head. For the root vegetable cutting head, you need to change the blade if you want to cut different size and different shape. First, we also have operation videos for you guys to how to use it, how to operate. So you don't need to worry if you don't know how to use this machine or you have any question about this machine. We will always answer your questions and give you feedback. All this it will protect the machine during shipping. Okay, we will do the slice of cucumber, carrots, and the pumpkin. You can see how it looks like of the cutting effect. This green button is for the root start button, and this red button is for the root stop. Okay, let's do other testings. For the carrot. Cucumber, you can use a small filling hole. Okay, guys, you can see this small filling hole is for clicking slice making. If some clients may have the needs to make plantain chips like this, so you can use this feeding hole, this small feeding hole, to make this shape. For other, if you don't have a very special needs about the slice shape, you can use the big feeding hole to cut different fruits and vegetables into slices. And you can see the cutting effect for the slice is very beautiful. Two different feeding holes in the same time to have by a bigger capacity. And this is the more bigger feeding hole for our root vegetable cutting head. If you only want to cut root vegetables, no need to cut leaf vegetables. We also have the root vegetable cutting machine for you guys. Only have this root vegetable cutting head. No need to add the leaf vegetable cutting head. If you only need to cut leaf vegetable, we also have the machine only for leaf vegetables. So you can all contact us if you have any needs to remove this screw. This is the blade for shredding. It's a you guys can see the installation is also very easy for the shredding. Okay, we'll do the shredding testing for potatoes. And see, you can see the. Okay, yes, let's first start the emergency button. Very quickly, and you can see the cutting effect for this potato shredding is perfect. I think. I have a client who have the business for potato shredding, frying. He will cut the potatoes into 2 millimeters, shredding and then frying it frying it for snakes. And he used this machine for his business, and this is the root vegetable cutting head for this business, and the cutting effect is very beautiful, and he likes this machine very much. And so this machine is very popular among our clients, and the cutting effect is really beautiful. Okay guys, you can see the size of each shredding is just the same, and it's very suitable for the restaurant use. I think many restaurants may have the potato cuisines, and they may use this machine for potato. It's very suitable for their business.